Welcome back to zhejiangkingmeyle Auto Parts Manufacturing Company. Established in 2003, we pride ourselves on producing high-quality car parts for all brands of vehicles. In our extensive lineup, you'll find a range of essential car components, including shock absorbers, swing arms, equestrian arms, triangular arms, ball joints, tie rod ends, stabilizer links, and rack ends. Our shock absorbers are meticulously crafted to deliver superior performance and durability. With advanced engineering and quality materials, our products ensure a smooth and controlled ride, even in challenging road conditions. Experience unparalleled comfort and stability with our shock absorbers. Designed to absorb and dampen vibrations, our products provide optimal handling and control, enhancing the overall driving experience. Our triangular arms are precision-engineered to maintain proper wheel alignment and suspension geometry. Featuring robust construction and precise fitment, our products ensure reliable performance and improved vehicle handling. Enhance steering responsiveness and control with our tie rod ends. Engineered for durability and precise fitment, our products play a vital role in maintaining steering integrity and vehicle safety. Explore our range of suspension components, including swing arms and equestrian arms. Built to withstand the demands of the road, our products offer optimal strength, stability, and performance for your vehicle. Discover the difference with our shock absorbers. Engineered with precision and quality craftsmanship, our products provide unmatched comfort, control, and reliability for every journey. Ensure smooth and precise steering with our ball joints. Designed to withstand heavy loads and extreme conditions, our products deliver exceptional durability and performance for your vehicle. Trust in our shock absorbers for superior ride comfort and stability. Engineered with innovative technology and rigorous testing, our products exceed industry standards, ensuring a smooth and safe driving experience. For inquiries or orders, please contact mobile 0086189467555513. Thank you for choosing zhejiangkingmeyle Auto Parts Manufacturing Company. Check our website for more information www.carwellauto.com. Your satisfaction is our top priority.